Last year, dozens of Wisconsin farms filed for bankruptcy, the most of any state in the country. Already this year, dozens more have filed. That's all according to the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel. NBC 26's Eric Kress spoke with a local dairy about the situation for farmers right now.
The farming business is a tough one, full of long days, hard work, and the ebbs and flows related to the demand for your product.
I think the farms that are marginally hanging on right now, maybe the situation going on with COVID-19 is just maybe pushing some of them over the edge, unfortunately.
Mark Lamers, the president of Lamers Dairy in Appleton, says right now his local farmers bringing him milk have been burdened, but not financially impacted by the spread of COVID-19.
We've lost some business, but we've also seen some gains in other areas.
The losses are pretty substantial, though, considering places like restaurants and public schools are increasingly less reliant on dairy.
I know there's reports of plants asking their producers to reduce production, which would make some sense and help out. But on the other hand, I know on the farm end that they have financial situations and obligations they have to meet too.
Mark says when COVID-19 hit Wisconsin, there was a surge on dairy products at grocery stores and gas stations. But that demand today has tapered off a bit.
It's going to be a long, drawn-out affair here for a little while, I'm afraid. So.
But that doesn't mean that Wisconsin farmers haven't dealt with blows like this before. And while every day we're learning more about the impacts of COVID-19, Mark says we can make a difference for the farmers trying to keep our economy going in a very simple way.
Just realize the plight that, some of the farmers are under, and try to support the local economies the best you can.
In Appleton, Eric Kress, NBC 26.
And the president of Lamers Dairy says he hasn't received any word yet about local farmers dumping their milk to try to keep prices for the product steady. We have reported, though, that has been the case elsewhere in Wisconsin.